everyone, now you are tuned in the latest news update. I'm Kaila Putri, here to bring you on the top stories of the day. Let's begin with our first headline. Airplane crashes in Jakarta on Wednesday, January 18, 2024. The plane, carrying 180 passengers and a crew. The plane crashed shortly after take off from Jakarta Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. The cause of the crash is still under investigation. President Joko Widodo expressed his condolences to the families of the victim. He also ordered a thorough investigation into the crash. That concludes your news for today. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kaila Putri, wishing you are safe and pleasant day. Until next time.